Are you a die-hard fan of NBA Live Mobile and desperately looking for a way to get NBA Live Mobile free cash without spending a dime? You're in luck because there's a little-known method that's helping players like you grab NBA Live Mobile cash quickly and easily. This online source is totally free and doesn't need any special downloads. All it requires is your NBA Live Mobile user ID, your device type, and the amount of NBA Live Mobile free cash you'd like credited into your account. Once you fill in those details, the tool gets to work, generating the exact amount of NBA Live Mobile cash you requested. But to ensure that the user is legit and not a bot, the source includes a quick verification task. This task is simple. You just need to download and play a popular mobile game and reach level 9 in that game. That's it. No confusing steps, no hidden payments, and no catch. Once you complete the task and hit level 9, the NBA Live Mobile cash and even some bonus coins will be automatically added to your account. Some call it the ultimate NBA Live Mobile coins glitch, but it's more of a cheat that actually works. This method has been buzzing in online gaming forums and among the NBA Live Mobile community. If you've been scouring the internet for NBA Live Mobile free cash links or searching for working NBA Live Mobile cheats, this is the solution you need. It's easy, fast, and safe to use. Try it today and elevate your NBA Live Mobile experience without spending real money.